We already said that today is Gandhi Vardhanti. Today is Gandhi Vardhanti. Do you know about Gandhi? Yeah, Gandhi was a freedom fighter. Freedom fighter. He did national movements in non-violent method. What is it? Non-violent method, which means without having gun, without having weapon, he did national movements. Okay, you know that Gandhi born in Porbandar in Gujarat. Where is Porbandar located? Yeah, in Gujarat, right? In Gujarat state, Porbandar. He born on October 2nd, 1869. He born October 2nd, 1869, and he went to England for higher education. He studied in India. He was well famous and well educated, and also they were rich. The family is rich, and he went to London for barrister. To learn barrister, to get that the education. He went to England, and after that he became an advocate, a lawyer. He went to South Africa. When he went to South Africa, he working under Britishers. He working as an advocate in a court. When he is traveling in a train, in a first class bogie, he faced a situation that the Britishers ill-treated him in a inhumanitarian ground. In a inhumanitarian ground, he treated, and he scolded and he bitten. The Britishers bitten the Gandhi, and he was thrown from the running train. He realized that, see, I'm a well-educated, I'm a rich person, I'm an advocate. I treated as I dominated by Britishers. What about the Indians, which is colonized by Britishers? He understood. He know the situation. At first time, in 1910, he did a movement in South Africa. First movement in Gandhi career, he did a movement called against apartheid. Against apartheid, which is not discriminated according to their color. According to their color. మీరు ఎంత వైట్గానే ఉండొచ్చు. You treated as blacks. We treated as blacks. And the Britishers treated as whites. For that, Gandhiji did a movement in 1910, the movement name called apartheid. And later he came to India from England to India in the year of 1915. Then the national movements, the real national movements was started in India. It's escalated into peak stage, and at last we got independence in 1947 after partition of India into India and Pakistan. See, without any weapon, with only the satyagraha, with the satya, dharma, and the non-violent, he did a movement, and at last in 1947, he make India as independent. But in the year of 1948, on January 30th, this day, when he was doing a ceremony, there was a meeting in New Delhi, and on that time, a person named called Nathuram Godse, he went with a gun, with a pistol, and he fired on Gandhiji on the the point blank range. He fired on Gandhiji. At the last breath of Gandhiji, he said that I fired by a mad person. He smiled and said, and the last words are Hare Ram. What is it? Hare Ram. Like that, the father of the nation, and we called him as a Bapu, and he did many movements for our freedom, for our independence. If he not sacrifice his life for us, we are not here to have such freedom, equality, and such a justice in India. We will be there in the hands of the Britishers still now also, because of the great leaders like Gandhiji, Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpati Rai, Veer Savarkar, and Alluri Sitaramaraju, Bhagat Singh, and many leaders are there. We can't say in a single day in a single speech about their names. There was a great persons who sacrificed their life for our independence. We need to remember and cherish their names till our death. We need to escalate their memories. And the end of this earth. End of this earth. That is the great personalities. We are remembering and we are making them as cherished in our hearts. That is all. That is the greatness of Gandhiji. And we need to say thanks to Gandhiji for every day when we are having such enjoyness and freedom and liberty and justice without any discrimination in India, because of their efforts, what they led in the past. Okay? Have a great day.